Hello everyone, my name is Elvita Diaz. I'm excited to be starting this new course. And it looks like I've met some of my classmates already from previous classes, so I'm excited to be working with you as well. And also to those I have not met yet, this is my first time meeting you. I look forward to working with you as well. A little bit about me. I am currently working for a hospice agency. I've been with a hospice agency for 5 years. I'm currently a hospital liaison at one of our main hospitals in Silicon Valley. My role is to meet with families and educate them, guide them through making the most difficult decision, end of life choices and decisions, and helping create a plan of care for them. I do that by supporting our physicians, the physicians, case managers, and social workers. But most importantly is having a discussion with families and patients regarding end-of-life care and helping them transition onto our services. I've been doing that for 5 years. I enjoy so much meeting with families and patients, and so much so that I would like to, once I get my MSW degree, is be a social worker with hospice within our hospice agency, and then maybe at a later time transition to a hospital setting. In regards to what I've learned from what I've enjoyed the most about my previous courses, I actually enjoyed human behavior and social environment, which is 501. I enjoyed learning about the different frameworks used within social work, such as person in an environment. I enjoy learning about the different types of behaviors. Most importantly, biopsychosocial development during the different stages of young to middle adulthood. So I enjoyed learning about just overall the psychosocial aspect of social work, as it provides, I think, great tools for us to be great social workers. So I'm excited to learn more and learn everything I can about this course, but most importantly, working with you all as well. Thank you.